Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Australia. Another rad box from Australia. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. And this came from Ferengi. She's a moderator in the Ramen Junkies group. We call ourselves Section 42. It's a long story, but it's a cool group of us we got going on. Thank you. She sent a card, and we have a koala, and indeed, more ramen. Thanks. And a large bag. Let's see what's inside. First off, we have an export version of Yum Yum's Pad Thai, and this is a pretty big sash, big pack. I've never seen them come this big, and yeah, this is cool. Thank you. I knew this one was gonna be in here, and I've never seen anybody else talking about it, so I think I'm probably gonna be getting to this pretty quick. This is Samyang Yakisoba Bulldog, and I guess it comes with mayo to put on it. This is interesting. Yeah, thank you. And here's another Yum Yum variety. This is their Tom Yum. They're just calling it spicy Thai soup. That's how you can definitely tell it's an export version, and which is fine. That's rad. Cool, thanks. Huh, this is cool. I've never heard of them making cheese-flavored seaweed snacks. That's weird. Very weird. And I believe this food is part of Nongshim in a roundabout way. Cool. So this one's very interesting. This is a Nissan Hot Carbo variety, and this hails from Indonesia. This may be actually for sale in Singapore, because I've seen Indonesian-made Nissan varieties sold in Singapore before. I guess we'll find out. This is definitely something I've never seen before. Cool. And lo and behold, a Quick Zab variety. These are from Thailand, and I haven't had this one. Is it green curry? Is it? I can't remember, but yeah, interesting. And another Indomie one. She sent me in the last package a whole slew of Indomie varieties, and this is the Soto Special. Soto is kind of a lime and beef soup usually, I think. And so this should be following suit, but maybe it's got some extra stuff in it. I think, what does it say here? Extra koya guri. So I think this is the powdered stuff that you can put on top. Rad, thank you. And I've never had a pack version from this brand, but FF stands for fashion food. This is Thai, and it says it's like a spicy tomato. Tom Yum shrimp. Okay, I was way off, but cool, thank you. And another fashion food variety. This is an Oriental, so this could be pretty much anything. I'm sure it'll be good though, it's Thai. And the last one, this is a Thai-style crab curry cup noodles, and I believe this hails from Hong Kong. There's one way to find out real quick. I don't know. It says made in China, so yeah, this is the Hong Kong version. I've never seen this particular variant here or anywhere, so that's rad. Thank you very much. Well, again, thank you very much to Ferengi for sending this over. She has been an absolute perfect choice to add to our small collective of ramen junkies over in the Section 42 moderation group. And cool, glad she accepted, and yeah, thank you. You bring a lot to the group, and we really appreciate you. So yeah, wow, I got some work to do. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.